Hi guys, so today I'm doing my first ever slime review that went horribly. So today I'm doing my first ever slime review. Oh, my cat's under the table, but you can't see her. What? Oh well, let's get to this slime review. I'm sorry, that was just playing with my thing. So here it is. I'm gonna pour it out. I was playing with it a while ago, and then Stop! She's trying to eat my tripod. You're mean. You know what? Here. Come on, fatty. Oh. You want to join me for my slime review? Here, I'll back you guys up, so. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of keep you guys backed up for a bit. Bubbles is joining. Don't eat that. Ew. Come back. I need to remove your taste. I pop her in the mouth and she's like. But anyhow, back onto the slime review. It's not stretchy. It has like no color, so you guys can see. It's not stretchy. Focus. Here. Stop! She's so mean. It's not stretchy. She's trying to eat my tripod. Look! What the heck? I don't have a normal cat. Stop trying to eat my tripod. She's coming back. She's gonna come back. Here, I'll just put it down. You'll see. Shh, you just gotta wait. Yes. I'm gonna go look at my phone real quick. Oh, dang. Where'd I put my phone, son? God. Oh, here. Yeah. Stop! Why am I laughing? You know what? I gotta end this video. Bye.